This business idea was inspired by our interest in current lifestyle trend among youth. As students, we want a space that is comfortable, affordable, and visually pleasing, a place to study, relax, and socialize. Our concept is a small and stylish cafe that offers light meals, coffee, and desserts. The design focuses on a modern and minimalist look with a calming atmosphere. Our target market includes students and young professionals who enjoy comfort and Instagram-worthy spaces. This is why we choose a location near university areas with high foot traffic. The idea was developed based on group discussion, personal insight, and market research. We aim to combine youth culture, creativity, and affordability. Through this project, we apply what we learn in class, including entrepreneurship, financial planning, and teamwork. Our vision is to create a business that blends passion with purpose. We want to offer more than just food, but a meaningful and memorable experience.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Molina Nurain and my metric number is A24A3427. Today I will be presenting the background business part. Our cafe has been official since the year of 2023. The vision and goal of our cafe is to serve a comfortable and peaceful atmosphere. Our cafe specialties are coffee, pastries, light meals, and also desserts. The name Butter and Bean comes from two main aspects of our cafe. Butter shows that we serve excellent foods for all of our customers using European butter. Meanwhile, the word beans signifies that we uses high-ranking beans that is from Ethiopia. The logo of our cafe that was created shows that we have a welcoming and also serene environment for all the people who wants to have a relaxing day. The location of our cafe that was chosen is quite strategic because it is near to office buildings, residential neighborhoods, and also a university. This can attract more customers and also new customers to come to our cafe. That is all from me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Adriana Adlin and my metric number is A24A3100. So for the next part, we will talk about organizational chart. And our cafe contains 5 staffs, which is manager, head barista, assistant barista, cashier, and kitchen staff. For the manager, the owner operates the cafe and are in charge of all aspects of the business. They make important decisions like regarding marketing, menu planning, budgeting, supply organization. Aside from that, also they organize staff scheduling, paying wages, and customer service as when required. Their key focus is to ensure the cafe remains properly organized and maintain the special branding and ambience. The second one is head barista. Under the manager is the head barista who is in charge of producing the coffee. The head barista ensures that all the beverages, especially the coffee and espresso beverages, are made to perfection. This job entails training the assistant barista, equipment repair, as well as the quality of the products. The head barista also assists in the appearance of the cafe by recommending new seasonal beverages or specialty items that reflect the appearance and theme of the cafe. Third, assistant barista. Supporting the head barista is the assistant barista who helps prepare drinks, clean the coffee bar, and restock items such as milk and syrups. The assistant barista acquires new experience through guidance by the head barista and plays a critical team member role at peak times by making work flow quickly and smoothly. The next one is the server and cashier, acts as customers' face for most clients. The worker takes orders, operates the point of sale, makes change, and serves drinks and food. They answer questions from customers on the menu and maintain the front space clean and welcoming. The last one is kitchen staff. Finally, the kitchen staff prepares snacks and light fare served by the cafe, such as sandwiches, toast, or pastry. The job ensures adequate presentation of food and preparation in a clean condition. The kitchen staff also takes care of stock, date expiration, and ensures that the kitchen area remains clean at all times.
In this part, I am going to explain about the product features in our butter and bean cafe. Firstly, in our cafe, we offer our signature coffees that are handcrafted with premium Ethiopian beans that are butter and bean latte, honey cappuccino, Ethiopian brew over, and vanilla bean cold brew. It will be suitable to kickstart their day and with perfectly brewed cup of coffee for our customers. Not only that, we also offer comforting drinks to our customers that such as chai latte, maca bean latte, hibiscus tea, and butter infused hot chocolate, so that customers can visit our cafe to purchase drinks not only for the coffees. Secondly, in our cafe, we also offer practice to eat with our signature coffee, like classic butter croissant, almond croissant, honey butter cones, salted caramel almond. Other than that, we also had light meals in our menu. For example, butter and bean toast, avocado and poached egg toast, and also French butter pancakes. Thirdly, we also serve dessert for our customers that made with premium butter and quality ingredients. For example, butter and bean tiramisu, which is coffee soaked layers with mascarpone cream.
For the next part, we will talk about butter and bean business performance. So based on the pie chart, is butter and bean 2-month financial performance. In a period of 2 months, while the business commenced with a well-developed brand identity, refined store concept, and carefully designed product offerings, the financial operations in the initial operating period revealed certain problems in sabotaging its profitability and viability. The following is an in-depth analysis of the financial performance of butter and bean and the cause of its performance. For the revenue and sales performance, the total sales is ringgit with net revenue of ringgit. Strong daily sales from popular items like coffee combos, brunch sets, and desserts. Over 11,000 in credit sales. Account receivable is 11,390 ringgit. Doubtful debts provision is 569 ringgit 50 cents. Highlights need for stricter credit policies to improve cash flows. The second part is cost of goods sold and gross profit. The COGS is 14,325 ringgit and the gross profit is 8,160 ringgit with 36% margin. Margin reflects use of premium ingredients like European butter and Ethiopian coffee. Improvement needed though, better supplier deals, bulk purchases, and focusing on higher margin menu items. For the third part is operating expenses and net loss. Total expenses is 22,874 ringgit 52 cents, led to a net loss of 14,714 ringgit and 52 cents. Major cost is from the salaries, which is 13,400 ringgit, and rent, which is 6,000 ringgit. Other costs is utilities, advertising, maintenance, equipment, and startup refurbishments. Business is not yet financially sustainable, with liabilities exceeding assets by 99 ringgit 52 cents. Our business need to reduce overheads and improve cost management. The last part is asset utilization and liquidity. Butter and bean possessed a total asset of 17,060 ringgit 48 cents, consisting of non-current assets, equipment and renovation, and current assets, which is cash, bank balance, receivables, prepaid expenses. It had cash in hand of only 1,935 ringgit, with a bank balance of 1,600 ringgit, which showed that the business had low liquidity at the end of the period, high reliance on credit sales, and the accumulation of accrued expenses, which is 8,530 ringgit, further pressured of the business short-term financial stability.
The first point of suggestion is improving cost management and business efficiency. Review and reduce high expenses, especially salaries, which is 13,500. We can use part-time staff or shifts during off-peak hours, and we can save on utilities and supplies with more efficient usage. The second point is increasing sale and customer engagement. We can boost marketing via social media, student discounts, and loyalty programs. We can post regularly on Instagram and TikTok to attract more walk-ins. We can offer combo deals to increase average spend and profit. And we can establish through food delivery, pre-orders, and pickup service. The third point is enhancing cash flow with enhanced receivables management. Account receivable like 11,380. We can limit the daily cash flow. We can also introduce stricter credit terms, offer yearly payment discount, and send regular reminders. We can also shift focus to cash sales to improve liquidity and reduce bad debts. And the last one is improving inventory and supplier management. Align inventory purchase with actual demand to reduce waste and costs. We can use sale trends to forecast need more accurately. Negotiate better terms with suppliers, which is bulk discount, local payment. And we can build strong supplier relationships for greater flexibility.
In conclusion, our Butter and Bean Cafe project gives us a valuable real experience in running an aesthetic cafe. We built a strong brand that focuses on quality food and cozy environment, which attract steady customers and positive feedback. Despite achieving 22,485 ringgit in sales, we also face a net loss of 14,740 ringgit 52 cents because of high startup costs, wages, rent, and cash flow issues. These early losses are common for new businesses, so this taught us key lesson in budgeting, cost control, and financial planning in business. We also gain hands-on experience with accounting tasks like journal entries, ledgers, and financial statements. We tried adjustment like better expense control and more marketing. Our Butter and Bean Cafe will as strong potential for future success. So, in the end, this project taught us the real value of teamwork, planning,